Hello everyone, and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will have a look at Stepapp's mobile app, and right now it's on early access, which means you can only start using the app by entering a code. And I will show you how you can get this code in the video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And now let's just jump straight into our video. So we've been waiting for months for the mobile app and it's finally out. You can find all of our videos about Stepapp in the cards. So this is the part where you will see your sneaker, your energy level, your rank, and your chests. If you've used Stepapp or if you watched any of our Stepapp tutorial videos, which you can find from the cards and also in the description box below, it looks like the Stepapp's first page, where you can see your sneaker, your energy level, your chests, and also your rank. You will start your exercise by just clicking on this yellow start button. And here on the second tab, you will see your sneakers, gems, loot boxes, and shoe boxes. And this is the in-game marketplace. You can purchase shoe boxes, sneakers, and gems here. As I said, the app is only early access stage, and that's why there are only 3 shoe boxes on sale. But you can have a look at different sneakers. As you can see, we have a Walker level 1 sneaker, we have a 15 level Racer sneaker, we have 30 level Vault sneaker, and so on. And finally here, you can see your profile. You can see your activation codes. You can edit your personal data and etc. Now lastly, I will show you how you can find the code to enter the app. You need to join Stepapp's Discord server to get these codes, and as you can see, they are sharing these codes on an hourly basis. As you can see, the last one was shared on 3 p.m. and the one before that was on 2 p.m. and the one before that is 1 p.m. So at the beginning of every hour, they share 5 codes. And as I said, they used to share 10 codes, but now they're sharing 5 codes. So it's so hard to enter the app right now. You can find the Discord server link in the description box below. And also you can download the Stepapp from the links in the description box below and also in the comment section as well. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also let us know in the comments if you managed to enter a code and started using the app. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.